One of the things that often confuses gardeners is the fact that quite often all of the bulbs come into the garden centres together, particularly, well, the two most common types are either the daffs or the tulips. With the daffs you can plant them more or less straight away, whether it's in containers or in the ground. With the tulips you can probably put them in containers straight away if you want, but if you're putting them out in the garden, just bear in mind they come from places like hot places like Turkey, Afghanistan and that region of the world where they've got hot, dry soils. So they don't really like our cold, wet soils. For that reason, you don't plant them until about the middle of December, otherwise they're sat in the ground too long in the cold, wet soil and that can rot them off. We hope you found this video useful. Please remember to press the like button, share the content with your friends and subscribe to get more gardening videos.